Hey everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today we'll be showing you how to send emails using Wix Email Marketing. Wix Email Marketing is a great tool for promoting your business, sending newsletters, or keeping in touch with your customers. By the end of this video, you know how to create, customize, and send an email campaign. Let's get started, shall we? If you've already got an account, you can log in, but since we're signing up, we're going to click Get Started. You can either type in your preferred email address, or you can continue with Google, or continue with Facebook. But let's type in an email address here. Once you've entered your email and your password, you can sign up. Once you've signed up, you're going to be asked who you're creating a website for. The first option here is for myself, my business, or a friend. The second here is for a client as a freelancer or an agency. Let's go for the first option. When setting up Wix for the first time, you might see a screen asking you to describe your site and use AI to set it up. Since we're focusing on email marketing, we can skip this by selecting Set Up Without Chat. This way we go straight to the dashboard and access email marketing tools that we need. So let's go with Setup Without Chat. Next, Wix is going to ask what type of website you would like to create. But since we're here for email marketing, we're just going to skip this step. Now our dashboard is loading. Once you're in, this is what your dashboard's going to look like. So here on your left-hand menu, you've got Home, Getting Paid, Sales, Apps, Site and Mobile App, Inbox, Customers and Leads, Marketing, Analytics, Automations and Settings. So we're just going to go to marketing and go straight to email marketing. Wix gives you a variety of email templates to choose from. You can either pick one here or start email from scratch. For this video, let's pick one of the templates. Let's choose this one. So you can click Edit Template. Wonderful, now let's design our email. You can drag and drop the elements you want to use in this campaign, then customize the colors, fonts, and other features you'd like to change. Alright, let's click Next. Alright, so this is what our template looks like. Let's see how we can customize this to fit our brand. First, we've got the text element. This is where we add our email content, whether it's a greeting, a promotion, or an update. We can adjust the font, size, and color to match our brand. Next, we've got the image element. We can upload product photos, logos, or banners to make our email visually appealing. Wix also lets us choose from stock images. Next, we have button. The button element is great for call to action links like shop now or sign up. We can customize the text, color, and link to direct recipients to our website. Then we've got divider. Divider is a simple horizontal line that helps separate sections and improve readability. Then here we've got HTML. This is for custom codes. If you'd like to add a custom code, you can use HTML. The columns feature lets us organize content into multiple sections, making our email look cleaner and more structured. Next, we've got our logo. You can add your business logo. You can upload your business logo to appear at the top or the bottom of the email. Then you've got video. If you'd like to engage your audience with multimedia, the video element lets us include YouTube or Vimeo links. The subscribe feature encourages new contacts to join our mailing list. This is great for growing your audience. Then the link element allows us to add clickable text, directing the recipients to external websites, blogs, or social media pages. Then lastly, we've got social. The social element lets us add social media icons, linking directly to our profiles on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Now let's look at the left side menu where we can adjust the overall design of our email. First, you've got add. The add section is where we can insert all the elements we just covered: text, images, buttons, and more. Then the Themes tab lets us change emails, font styles, and colors to match our brand identity. And for background, here we can customize the email's background color or add an image for a unique design. AI emails. So Wix offers AI generated email designs based on our business type. This can help us speed up the design process. So you can speed up the design process using AI emails. Right to left is a feature that's useful if you're writing an email in languages that read from right to left, like Arabic or Hebrew. Then the help section, of course, is useful if you ever get stuck and you need guidance and support for using Wix email marketing. Now let's take a look at the top menu. These options help us manage and finalize our email campaign efficiently. First, we've got Create. That's where we're at now. So this lets us design and edit our email. This is the main workspace where we add elements like text, images, and buttons to craft a professional email. The next is add recipients. This is where we select contacts who will receive our email. We can choose from existing contacts, upload a CSV file, or manually add email addresses. Third is the campaign overview section. This gives us a summary of our email campaign before we send it out. It shows us key details like the email subject, sender information, and recipient list. This is where we double check everything just to ensure that it's all accurate. The upgrade option appears because Wix offers both free and paid email marketing plans. The free plan has limits on the number of emails we can send, while upgrading unlocks more features and higher sending limits. Here we've got preview and test. Before sending an email, we can click preview to see how it will look on both desktop and mobile. This helps us ensure everything is formatted correctly before sending it to our audience. Finally, we've got the test option. It lets us send a test email to ourselves before launching the campaign. This is a great way to check for typos, broken links, or formatting issues before sending it to our actual recipients. Now that we understand these options, let's go ahead and start customizing our email. Let's begin with the text element. So we'll click. Here you can ask the AI text generator to generate content for your email. Next, you've got format settings. So you've got default, large heading, medium heading, small heading, large paragraph, or small paragraph. It all depends on which you want. So let's just go with the default. Then here you can change the font. You've got different fonts here, so you can choose the one that fits your style. You can even change the size here, the font size. Then down here, you've got styles, you've got bold, italic, underline, text color, highlight, alignment, and other styles. So let's try and customize this. We're just going to go ahead and change the text. Great, now that we've edited the text, you can use any of the features here to customize it to your taste. All right, now that we're done with our text, let's change the image here. Now we've changed the image. Let's see what else we can change. Here's the button. This takes you to the button section. So let's change this to learn more. Once you're done, you click apply. You can also choose what the call to action takes your viewers to. It could be a regular URL, a document, or a standalone form. So it all depends on what you'd like. So let's go with regular URL. So you're going to have to type in your website here. And once you're done, you click apply. So if you'd like to add a video, it could be one that's already on YouTube. Now, if it's already on YouTube, select YouTube and then type in the URL for your YouTube video. But if you'd like to add a video that's not on YouTube, you can use this option to upload a video. So once you've customized your email to your taste, you can move on to the next stage. Now that we've successfully designed our email, Wix gives us several options for selecting recipients. Once you're done adding your recipients, you can go to the next stage, campaign overview, which is the last stage. So here you can see the details of your email. You can see the preview here. So this is what your email is going to look like. You can either schedule it to be sent at a particular day and time, or you may choose to send it now. So whichever you'd like. That's it. You now know how to create and send emails using Wix email marketing. Thanks for watching.